Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to publish archived Instagram photo and how to restore your photos in posts from archive. So before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. So let's start. So we go and open the Instagram application and then enter to our profile, as you can see. And then to restore your photo or your picture, just click on the three lines in the top right of the screen and then click on archive. As you can see, there is archive option. Click on it and then open the post that you want to restore and publish on your profile. Click on it, open it, and then click on the three dots in the top right of the screen, as you can see, and then click on show on profile. And as you can see, now there is no archived posts in my account. I go back to my account and then I refresh my profile, and as you can see, the archived posts has been restored and is published again in my profile. And just a little reminder, when you restore a photo from the archive, the date of the photo and the date of posting the photo will stay the same date and the original date, and not the date when you restored the picture or the post. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.